Are these the last moments of my life? I thought when the truck hit my car from behind. I was in a state of shock at that moment. When the truck hit my car from behind, I was thrown out of my car. I was in a pool of blood. I couldn't even move my lips to call the help. I was in bloody hell of pain.
This is a major road accident case. The patient is severely injured and especially on the face. The preliminary tests reveal the CT scans done on the patient show multiple fractures on the face, including cheekbones and jaws. His eye sockets are shattered. Fortunately, there is no brain injury.
Every day, hundreds of accidents takes place, resulting in facial trauma. It could be simple injuries or major fractures that could disfigure the face. Automobile accidents, physical fights, and others. Whatever may be the reason, people then end up with major or minor injuries and fractures. In such cases, where especially face and facial parts are involved, like the mouth, jaws, and other facial parts, there comes the need for a unique medical specialty to treat such cases. That is oral and maxillofacial surgical specialty. And in few hours operation, oral and maxillofacial surgeon and his team reconstructed patient's battered head and face.
I was brought to the hospital with multiple facial fractures. I really had no idea that there existed surgical specialty which deals with this kind of cases. I was treated by an OMFS, maxillofacial surgeon. I never thought a maxillofacial surgeon could do this. They gave me a new lease of life. Thank you.
In fact, many trauma and emergency centers today have oral and maxillofacial surgeon on board. They play a crucial role in emergency management, particularly in cases where facial trauma like the face, jaws, and mouth and teeth are involved. Apart from that, an oral and maxillofacial surgeon is also trained in corrective jaw surgeries and a wide variety of reconstructive and cosmetic surgeries. Who is a maxillofacial surgeon? What does it take to become one? Training to become an oral and maxillofacial surgeon is rigorous, with a minimum of 5 years of dental school and 3 more years of post-doctoral based surgical training. In the 3 years of surgical training, an oral and maxillofacial surgeon is trained in orthopedics, general medicine, anesthesia, ENT, and critical care, thus making them unique as medical as well as surgical specialists.
Maxillofacial surgery is a unique surgical specialty. We also deal with congenital, developmental, and acquired defects with reconstructive and cosmetic surgery. And at times, we work along with other medical specialists in cases where other organs are involved.
Maxillofacial surgeons, with their dual background in dentistry and medicine combined with their residency training, make them uniquely qualified to treat conditions, defects, injuries, and cosmetic aspects of mouth, jaw, eye sockets, forehead, face, and associated structures.
The uniqueness of maxillofacial surgery is the ability to not just restore function but also maintain aesthetics to the patients, from elevating them from the devastating experience of the facial trauma.
Another important area of maxillofacial surgical specialty is removal of benign and malignant tumors from face and neck, especially from oral cavity, and rebuilding the gaps that arise after the removal. As you can see on the screen, the tumor being removed from the lower jaw is the dark area. Maxillofacial surgeons rebuild the jaw by extensive bone grafting.
The incisions we make in facial surgery cases are done in such a way to hide the scars so that it does not affect their image and quality of living.
Moreover, an maxillofacial surgeon treats many infections that affects the face. For example, maxillofacial surgeons deal with many types of disorders. The temporomandibular joint disorders that affects the TMJ, problems affecting the jaw joint and the connective muscles are very common which go untreated, many times not knowing that there exists a medical specialty to treat such temporomandibular joint problems.
Many of the times, patients are unaware of maxillofacial surgical specialty. Either they are misdiagnosed or undertreated, particularly for the infections of the face and temporomandibular joint disorders. Conditions like they come up with due to wear and tear of joints or trauma, temporomandibular joint dislocation. Patients come with some symptoms like unable to chew, unable to open mouth, etc.
Maxillofacial surgery combined with medical and surgical training, birth defects, particularly the facial structural deformities in face, jaws, forehead, teeth and the bite problems are also rectified by maxillofacial surgeons. The aim of maxillofacial surgery is not just to rectify the defect but also to give functionality and safeguard the aesthetics.
As a maxillofacial surgeon, I come across a variety of medical and surgical cases daily. Congenital birth defects of face that a patient who comes to us with the aforesaid issues is given functionality. At the same time, we maintain the aesthetics so that they lead a happy life.
They gave me a new lease of life. Thank you. Thank you, maxillofacial surgeons.